You're spending hours organizing your research manually, copying and pasting into spreadsheets, formatting tables from scratch. While AI could do this in seconds, most people have no idea this just changed. Here's what you need to know. Hey, I'm Ava. I help people learn and use AI tools that actually work. And NoteBookLM just dropped 2 updates that change everything about how you organize information. I'm talking about features that cut hours of work down to minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. But first, let me tell you what these updates actually are, because most people are missing the biggest part. The first update is data tables. This is wild. NoteBookLM can now take messy, unorganized notes and turn them into clean, structured tables. Automatically, no manual work. You upload a meeting transcript, a research paper, or just random notes. Then you ask for a data table. The AI reads everything, finds the important information, and creates a proper table with rows and columns, all organized and ready to use. Here's how it actually works. You open NoteBookLM and upload your sources. Could be PDFs, meeting transcripts, web pages, whatever. Then you go to the studio panel on the right side. That's where all your outputs live. When I first started using tools like NoteBookLM, I was overwhelmed. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom. 1,800 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. But here's the second part that makes this actually useful. You can export that table straight to Google Sheets. One click. The table shows up in Sheets where you can edit it, add formulas, share it with your team, whatever you need. And if there are tables in your notes or reports, you can export those to Sheets too. Everything that has table data goes straight to Sheets. Everything else can go to Google Docs. This changes the entire workflow. Before this update, everything you created in NoteBookLM stayed stuck inside NoteBookLM. You could read it, but you couldn't really use it anywhere else. Now you can create something and immediately move it to the tools you actually work in. Docs for writing, Sheets for data. It connects NoteBookLM to the rest of your workflow. Students can use this too. You have lecture notes from multiple classes. Upload them all. Ask NoteBookLM to create a study table, key concepts in one column, definitions in another, examples in the third, all organized by topic. Export to Sheets, and you have instant study materials ready for your exam, way better than scrolling through pages of notes trying to find what you need. Project managers can turn brainstorming notes into project timelines. Researchers can synthesize findings from multiple papers into comparison tables. Anyone working with information can save hours of manual organization work. Now let me tell you exactly how to use these features, because knowing they exist is different from actually implementing them. First, make sure you understand which plan you're on. Data tables are available right now for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. If you're on the free plan, don't worry. Google confirmed it's rolling out to everyone in the upcoming weeks, probably sometime in January. But the export features for notes and reports work for everyone right now. Here's the step-by-step for creating a data table. Open NoteBookLM. Upload your sources. You can upload PDFs, paste in text, add website URLs, whatever information you're working with. Once your sources are loaded, look at the studio panel on the right side of your screen. That's where you'll see options for different outputs. Click to create a data table. NoteBookLM will ask you to describe what you want. This is important. Be specific about what should go in the rows and what should go in the columns. Don't just say make a table. Say something like create a table with tasks in the first column, assigned person in the second column, deadline in the third column, and status in the fourth column. Or make a comparison table with product names as rows and features, price and target audience as columns. The more specific you are, the better the output. The AI will process your sources and generate the table. This takes a few seconds depending on how much content you uploaded. When it's done, you'll see the table in the studio panel. You can't edit it directly in NoteBookLM. It's not interactive like that. But you can view it and check if it's what you need. If it's not quite right, you can generate a new table with different instructions, or export it and make changes in Sheets. To export, click the three dots next to the table. Select Export to Google Sheets. The table will show up in a new Google Sheet in your Drive. From there, you can do whatever you need, add more data, apply formulas, make charts, share it with other people, download it as an Excel file if you need to. You have full control once it's in Sheets. For exporting notes and reports, it's the same process. Go to your studio panel, find your saved study guide, briefing doc, or notes. Click the three dots next to it. Choose Export to Google Docs or Google Sheets. If the content has tables in it, NoteBookLM will automatically send it to Sheets. If it's mainly text, it goes to Docs. Either way, you get a fully editable document in your Google Drive. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 1,800 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. The key is to start using these features now. Don't wait. Don't just watch videos about them. Actually open NoteBookLM, upload something, create a table, export it, see how it fits into your workflow. Find the use cases that save you the most time. Build it into your process. Because here's the thing about AI tools, they only help if you actually use them. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. These NoteBookLM updates are significant. Data tables save hours of manual organization. Export features connect NoteBookLM to your actual workflow. Together, they make the platform way more useful. Go try them, see what you can create. Let me know in the comments what tables you build and how you're using them. I want to hear what's working for you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I cover AI tool updates like this every week. New features, new capabilities, practical ways to use them. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. That's it for today. Go use NoteBookLM, create some tables, save yourself some time. I'll see you in the next video.